It's not the best lighting in here, but with the switches you can bump them quite easily. Something moves around, so what I've just made is had some aluminium flat, and I've just made up a bit of barrier, so I'll mount that to either side. I've just marked it where I want to drill. I had a look inside the panel and seen it's all clear before I go ahead and put it on. So before I drill, I'm going to put a small drill bit in that's not quite as big as the screw I'm going to put in. So I'm just putting the finishing touches on the panel, and almost done. That's it, it's a lot better. So I had some leftover hammer finish, black, and the aluminium bar, I just gave it a good scuff up with sandpaper and a bit of a spray, make it a bit more compatible. It's just a bit of sandpaper, doesn't matter what you got. I got 240 there, but just whether it's metal or this was aluminium, so the paint sticks, just scuff it up. Put a bit of surface primer over it, etch primer, and then the hammer tone. So bar's good there now, in case anything I have in the back comes across. It's going to hit this here, but I can still access the switches. So it's not foolproof, but it's better than it was. And instead of having something turned on that might drain your battery, obviously. So yeah, happy with that now. That's pretty much it. Just got to be able to get out and use it. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe, hit the notification and thumbs up. Till the next one, cheers.